you guys understand how much snow we get? Like, it's a snowfall every night. I don't think I've seen snow during the day. It's just at night. Come out to a nice wintry surprise. Best thing about having a beater is you can just do this and not care. What is going on, guys? Got a brand new video today. We are going to we are meeting up with Jace, and we are going to go and climb up a mountain to a disclosed area where it's literally a off-road track. You slide the shit out of the beaters. During the day though this time. It's like something we do. We just have this spot. We just go to it and beat on our cars. On another note, The Weeknd's new album, Dawn FM, just came out. He's one of my favorite artists. And if you guys listen to it, what's your favorite track off the album? On that note, let's go ahead, head down the road, and meet up with our boy. Alright, coming up to our boy here. Aha, hey. Hey, man! Hey, hey, yeah, hey. Swerve. I don't eat fast food, man. What the heck?
So I pull in, right? And I'm like sideways, and I go to avoid the speed bump. There's a dude parked in the corner in the Equinox. He goes like this.
Oh, yeah.
I felt so bad. I scared him so bad.
Hey, is that clown juice?
Oh! These paper straws are...
Alright, let's start our climb here. I brought the drone, but I don't think that's going to be happening. You can see all the kind of the snow drifts that are coming off the borders here. It's windy, eh?
I saw that. You see how deep those banks are?
Dude, these are big boys. Taller than his car. Pretty much. Crash. Jace has the all-time record of crashing up here. And it's a little icy. Actually, it's not bad. It's pretty good up here. Let's see what we kind of got. I feel like this wind and this moisture is going to be kind of annoying. Yeah, okay. It's okay. She gets some more speed. Yeah. Oh. Close to that brim there. Nice. That was close. This is so bad. I'm like narrating my front wheel drive e-brake slides. Yeah, this is good stuff. It's nice and patting down. Oh my goodness. Okay, I can't stop here. I'm gonna get stuck. Oh no. Oh, we good. Someone straight up. Wow. Just totally in there. You can't see where they went in either because this is all fresh. It looks like they went up over here and then just went straight in. Damn, dude. It's cold, boy. It's cold. It's cold. Let's continue our journey. Look at this though. Like a lot of the snow is made from the drifts. Oh yeah, that's slick. She is slick. Slide up there, nice. A little double piece coming up. Not fast enough. Yeah, there we go. That's clean. Ah, that was tight. Oh, she's icy. More of a downhill kind of portion. Nice path. Keep that going around that corner. Nice. Oh, we're still going. Okay. There you go. Oh, I'm really tight on those corners. Oh, there we go. This is nice. Oh, Chase whipped that hard. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Keep it up. Yep, we going. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Oh. Still going uphill. Still going uphill. Oh, that's it. There you go. Look at this view. It's so nice out here. Jace got me this thing, if you guys don't remember. So I'm gonna go and plug it in. Heck yeah, look at that thing go. Oh, he's going. He's moving. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. That was a good send.
Oh! Look at this! Will I be able to move?
Probably gonna bail this. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. That. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a big hole. Oh, that's a nice slide though. Just kind of gliding with it. Ow! I bonked my head off the window with my GoPro and it kind of hurt. He'd be stuck. Oh, remind me to wear something warmer next time we come out here. We're gonna go hit up a couple more spots here, but look at that. Oh man, it's so fun out here, man. There's no wind up here. And it's so warm, and that's the thing, is that it's warm up. You guys know it's been like negative 20 at some points. It's like negative what, 5, 7 today? So we're gonna bend this corner. It's a pretty good corner here. Update. Got it out. Oh goodness. Oh! I made it! So we're just out exploring and we saw this tube that goes to the other side of the highway. We're on the side of the highway right now, so.
Oh, I got this.
This is weird.
Sample special, you ready?
This is neat. All right. Oh, this is deep, deep. Oh, deep, deep, deep. Hey, Lamau. You need some LEDs up in here, man. They're not working no more. Guys, I just want to take a moment to appreciate how gorgeous it is out here in the winter time. The sun setting over there. Winter's really not that bad. It's time for a Mazda Speed 6 so I can do some all-wheel drive things though. Alright guys, oh, and the sunset is falling. It is gorgeous. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. Alright guys, other than that, thank you once again. Keep Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.